What is going on, guys, gals, whoever watches this for some goofy reason? Ain't made no videos in a while. It's been super busy with work and stuff, but we got some more stuff fixing to come down the pipeline. But today we're going to Dayton, Tennessee to watch the Wheel Rock race. I've got crap all in my go-to. But yeah, but I also have something cool to show y'all. We bought us something to make traveling just a little bit easier. Won't be ready this weekend, but by the next trip we go on, hopefully it'll be ready and we can stay in it. But y'all check it out. It is a 24 by 8.5 wow cargo trailer. They're based out of Cochran, Georgia. Pretty cool, that's where we're from. But yeah, just a basic trailer, but it'll be a pretty nice setup when we get done. If I find the right key. Y'all bear with me. But yeah, this here is the new Going Broke toy hauler. We're gonna do like a cabinet deal here in the V, AC unit, fold out beds. Probably just gonna do like a little Mr. Buddy heater to heat it this winter, but this will be what we'll be going rock crawling and deer hunting out of and whatever else we want to get into. So y'all stick with us. Let's go watch some guys tear some rock crawlers up. That's where celery's supposed to go, in the trash.
Why are they supposed to go in the trash?
It's stuff nasty.
16-year-old in that one.
That's father and son. Pace hung in neutral. Yeah, this class right here. Like an open dip check class. I don't know. I don't know where to film. Oh.
I don't know. You're competing. Right, left, right, left,
Yeah.
right, left.
You better walk out.
Don't even bring it up.
Brandon's supposed to be buying a bunch of tools for me. He said load them in the car. Bill goes, at least your fuel bill's paid for. You're getting 50 when you get here. I'm like, oh, cool. I'm gonna bring some more so you'll buy some more.
All month.
I tell you what, this place is awesome on the line.
I bet. I've seen some videos of it.
I'll be a camera guy.
Better hammer down, buddy.
Oh, I got to go. If it wasn't okay, they'd be over there getting them out. I'm always upside down like that.
Yeah, stole your damn speaker. That's a good one.
Glad you came.
God, look. Oh.
That was awesome. That's awesome. Yeah.
Whoa.
That was a lot. Yeah, that was.
You picked the best seats in the house, Lee. And you're like right here with it, you know?
Shooting off How much did he put? A lot. Probably 1,000. Probably.
There's the finale there, I'm sure. Wow.
That was cool. Oh, yeah.
I think that's more than 1,000.
Whoa.
I thought it would go like shoot up and come. I thought it would shoot up on stars. I thought it would shoot up on stars. Oh, that one looks cool.
That was cool.
He spent all $460 on that. I better see what it is.
That's a lot of smoke. I don't know. Look at that firebird going that way.
That's the drone.
That was cool.
I think so. I've seen some of it shows. This is pretty good.
A spark just went in my arm.
This one had charged me busy.
Getting all the loud powder. There goes.
Start. Let's see what's playing.
What is it? I can't hear it.
More country.
That one got a little close to the ground over there. Got a little close. They were pointing to the top of that flag over there. I thought he said several times.
That's my boy. That's what Derek said too. Like, holy.
Dad does this, he's pointing left. Finally he goes. And I'm like, are you serious? He goes. I'm like, okay. I stood in it. The left front tire, the top of the leg where everybody's standing, and I flashed the floor for a second here on the red one. And then he goes. And all I did was go, oh God, this is stuck.
He was way up that wall when he started. I was like, boy, this might get interesting.
The great all the great all the
All right, guys. Sunday, day after We Rock. Good trip. We enjoyed it. We'll most likely be there racing next year at Dayton for sure. We really enjoyed it and want to support We Rock the most that we can. Maybe grow into maybe doing the whole Eastern Series in the next year or two. We'll see where it leads, but y'all just stick with us. We're going to start pumping out a little different video content for y'all too. Appreciate y'all.